Airbus has recently developed and certified a new digital audio system for the A320 family. Work to certify the system on the A330 is underway. The HMI builds on the mature and well-appreciated designs available since entry into service on the A380 and the A350.
The new digital audio architecture is not just about the new radio management panel, RMP, which replaces 3 existing control panels, the RMP, the audio control panel ACP, and the TCAS transponder control panel, but also about changes to the audio architecture behind the scenes. The protocol for audio communications between the AMU, the RMPs, and the ACP is now digital, which allows for simpler, lighter wiring installations, a more robust solution, and the ability to bring new functions more easily as and when they are developed.
The aim of this short film is to show the principal operating modes of the digital audio system from a flight crew perspective. The RMP includes menu keys, line select keys, a brightness controller, shortcut keys, a numeric keypad, transmission keys, and reception knobs. According to the configuration of the aircraft, the appropriate menu keys and transmission keys will be lit or not. To change a VHF frequency, enter the new standby frequency and swap using the line select key. Partially completed frequencies are automatically completed, and incorrect frequencies will be flagged amber. The arrow keys can also be used to change between fields. The HF page is similar to the VHF page, changing frequencies using the line select key, a line select key for selecting the modulation mode, and in the case of receiving a cell call, a message is shown, the transmission key flashes, and the communication can be established. In case of receiving a CPDLC frequency upload, it's possible to directly use the line select key to load the frequency into the RMP. The message to load will remain as long as the action has not been completed on the DCDU. The TEL page is used for the SATCOM. Control of legacy SATCOM systems will be maintained using the MCDU, but Airbus is working on new SATCOM solutions which can be controlled from the RMP. Manual dialing can be performed, as well as directory dialing. In addition, there is quick access to the directory dialing using the up and down arrows. To place a call, press dial. An incoming SATCOM call is accompanied with a buzzer, the reset message, and a flashing indication. On the TEL page, it's possible to verify the nature of the incoming call before accepting it. The ATC page allows control of the transponder or the TCAS. The line select keys cycle between the different operating modes. Concerning the squawk, there is a shortcut for the squawk code on any communication page, as well as shortcuts for the most common modes of operation for the TCAS. The nav page includes the standby navigation function in case of FMS failure, tuning of the ILS for example, and also the audio nav part for listening to nav aids. The line select key allows to cycle through the available means, and in case of BFO, the voice on and off command is available. Listening is achieved using the nav volume selector knob. The menu page shows different items according to the aircraft configuration. In this example, there is a confirmation of the aircraft cell code and access to the SATCOM menu. Procedures in case of failures have been simplified. In the case of an RMP1 fault, for example, it is simply a case of turning off the RMP to automatically reconfigure on ACP3. For aircraft equipped with an ACP in the overhead panel, the principal listening functions as described for the RMPs are available. This includes the PA control for announcements in the cabin. Call reset functionality is also provided.
The new digital audio system is fully compatible with all communications equipment, TCAS and transponder solutions available in the Airbus catalogue. All certified boom sets, including those with a noise reduction function, can be used. As a safety enhancement, the alerts from the flight warning computer are now broadcast in the boom sets, in addition to the loudspeakers.
Our experience in flight testing for development and certification checks with Airbus, airline and authority flight crews has shown that the digital audio system provides excellent audio quality. The new RMP has been found easy and intuitive to use, even with crews having received limited training on the system.